Hey everyone, welcome back. If your browser feels slow, websites aren't loading properly, or you're seeing outdated content, yeah, clearing cache can fix a lot of that. In this full guide, I'll show you how to clear cache in the Brave browser step by step in 2026. First, open Brave and go to the Settings menu. You can click the three-line menu at the top right. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security. This is where all browsing data options are located. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. This opens the tool to remove cache and other stored files. Choose your time range. For best results, select All Time to fully clear the cache. Make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. You can also select cookies if needed. Click Clear Data and wait a few seconds. Your cache will be removed. Restart your browser after clearing cache. Yeah, this helps apply the changes properly. Now open a website and check performance. Pages should load faster and more correctly. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the Clear Data window instantly. Finally, clear your cache regularly. Doing it once in a while keeps your browser running smoothly. And that's it. Clearing cache in Brave is simple and can instantly fix many browsing issues.